Conditional statements are very important in order to manage the program. In Python, conditional statements are entered using if, elif, and else. Let's start with if. Let's assume that we have some specific task, and this task should be conducted only for some specific condition. Let's think very simple for the example. For example, if the value of number is equal to 1, we would like to display this message on the screen. We can implement it in Python using if statement. We first type if, next we enter the condition. After the condition, we put colon operator. After the colon operator, we enter the task which is going to be conducted when the condition is true. You can also enter the condition within the parentheses in order to make your code more readable. However, it is not mandatory. So we can remove the parentheses. Here, we first entered if, and then we entered the condition. This condition is a simple comparison operation. Its result will be true or false. If the value of number is 1, we will display this message on the screen. Since number is equal to 2, so it is not equal to 1, this message is not displayed on the screen. Let's try it again for number is equal to 1. The message is displayed on the screen since the value for number is equal to 1.